There are many ways to earn money online, some of which include 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. 2. Online surveys. Sign up for survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Pinecone Research to earn money for completing surveys and giving your opinions. 3. Selling products online. Start an e-commerce store on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or other products. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media channels and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral link. 5. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring services in subjects you are knowledgeable in on platforms like Chegg Tutors, tutor.com, or VIPKid. That's it for today's video. Subscribe the channel to watch the second party. Thanks for watching the full video.